We got a few things to talk about here. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you can probably see now that my account is nowhere to be found. It's because I've been reported, I don't know, 3 or 4 times. I was spam reported by this chick that did not care that I was hanging out with Jigsaw Bra or associating myself with Jigsaw Bra back when there was a bunch of drama and he was being accused for a bunch of bullshit. So she spam reports me. 2 of her reports don't go through. Instagram says there's nothing wrong with my profile. The 3rd report that she made, it was back in like on May 11th or 12th or something like that. That sits there. Instagram doesn't get back with her or doesn't do anything. Here it is, July. I wake up 5 days ago and my Instagram is completely disabled. The reason I was disabled, I'm not going to say it on video. It's probably the worst thing that you can be accused of, which is crazy. Use your imagination. Very similar to what's going on with the files and everything like that, in the political sphere. If you follow me on Instagram, obviously, that's completely baseless. There's nothing to indicate that I was entertaining that kind of activity on my Instagram. Facebook and Instagram both down. I pushed an appeal through. It felt really gross because the way you got to do the appeal is you got to take like a video of your face forward and then side to side. It felt very disgusting. And knowing that, I didn't do anything wrong, it just felt gross, like being accused of this. Anyway, so after, I pushed the appeal through, here it is. I'm 5 days in and I got nothing back. I'm not disabled completely. Like, I'm not permanently banned. It's still sitting on the appeal, which has me very nervous, because if you go to, hell, you can just look up Instagram banning, Google it, and you'll see, like, in the past month, a bunch of Instagram accounts have been banned for this one very specific thing that I'm not going to say because I don't want to get flagged. You want to go on Reddit, r/Instagram, bro. Like, it is literally all over that Reddit thread. Now, this girl that reported me back in May, she was spam reporting me. Anyway, we ended up, I didn't know it at the time, but we ended up making up amends and everything like that. And, she pled her case and why she didn't like Jigsaw Bra, and that's her opinion. Whatever she wants to believe, that's fine. I didn't believe it. I was helping my bro out. Anyway, we ended up making amends. Hell, I mean, we'd go back and forth on my story. She'd comment on my story. We'd chit-chat for a little bit. Back and forth. Nope, everything was fine. She sends me a message because she got a message from Instagram saying that her report went through and my profile had been taken down. So I have my friends contact her. She's like, I didn't mean to, blah, blah, blah. And my friends, know I make money. I make money off of Facebook, Instagram, everything like that, right? It helps pay for this bike, helps pay for my van, the Challenger, my rent, bills, everything, I considered it a second job and I treated it as such. So let's go on and tell her that, it's, he treated this like as a job. You literally destroyed everything he built up. I put half a decade worth of work into developing my editing skills, my just skills on behind the camera, just being able to talk. Like, it's kind of challenging to do this. It took a while. Anyway, she goes on and is like, oh, I'll offer him money, this, that, and the other. He can create a new profile. I'm like, no, dude, I had 40,000 followers on Instagram. That is hard work, dude. And I'm not a chick in fucking skin-tight clothes out here having the upper hand when it comes to that Instagram game, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I suck at wheelies, so I'm not cool like that. I just try to be original with my content. That's predominantly the content that I do, is the short stuff. I haven't done long form like this in a long time. I'm really nervous that my account's gonna get banned. I'm just reading everyone talking about their experience with Instagram banning their account over this one thing, and them waiting maybe a few days. It's only been like 4 days. Then waiting like a few days, and Instagram comes back and it's like, oh no, it's our bad, we didn't mean to do that, type of stuff. Or there's people in there that've been waiting for like 3 weeks for this girl, this woman, she's a grown woman, rides a scooter to tear me down because she doesn't like the person I associate myself with. And I hate to say that I'm like depressed or whatever, and I don't really feel like riding my bike in the past week or so. I hate to feel like I rely on Instagram for that validation, but like I said, I treated it as a job, and it's like losing a second job, man. This shit fucking sucks, dude. And these are my OG like Facebook, Instagram profiles. These are OG accounts from when I was a child, bro. When I was a kid, I created my Facebook and my Instagram all through middle school, all through high school, the beginning portions of my adult life to now. These are my original accounts, and I'm on the verge of losing content, photos of people that aren't on this earth anymore, that are not here. I'm on the verge of losing all of that. Everything, it just can be just taken away like that. I feel defeated, and if I have to, I'll start a new Instagram, I'll start a new Facebook, but it sucks. It just sucks, y'all. You know, it doesn't suck. That view. That view do be nice. Alright. I've seen it 100 times. Jump that, head over to the convenience store, get some water in me. It's like 105 degrees out here. That's the crazy people home. The crazy people hospital. I think I need to lube my chain. I hear it kind of squeaking a little bit. Now I'm probably not going to be able to turn out of here. I'm going to do the dirty. He's cutting in line. I gotta open my door and threaten his life. Take a little shortcut and circle back around. A cool little shortcut because they got these nice paintings that they did on the side of the wall right here. Here we are. Yeah, right here. Very cool. Very, like Japanese stuff. Ooh, Navi. Never understood those navies. I'm like, bro, just get a Grom. All right, this light's green now, right? Yep. What in the world are we doing here? Just flip it right here. A little bit of All right, we're gotta find that shady spot. Yeah, nice. Oh, they're in my way again. Man, off there so long.